Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Babyprints is probably one of the most cherished and timeless keepsakes a parent can create, offering a tangible connection to those fleeting early moments of a child's life, allowing you to capture the unique imprint of their tiny hands and feet forever in a beautiful and lasting display that will be treasured for generations to come, preserving memories that would otherwise fade with time. Number 5. Pearhead Babyprints First Ornament Kit. Commemorate your baby's first holiday season with this special keepsake kit. It's the perfect way to capture their tiny prints and create a treasured memory. This kit includes everything you need to make 2 personalized ornaments. It comes with no-mess clay, ribbons, a rolling pin, and easy instructions for a fun activity. Creating your keepsake is hassle-free as the clay requires no mixing or baking. Simply press your baby's hand or foot, shape, and let it dry for a stress-free DIY experience. This keepsake ornament kit makes an excellent Christmas gift for new parents, grandparents, or expecting families. It's a great way to make the holiday season even more special. Once set, your baby's print becomes a beautiful Christmas tree decoration. It's a meaningful addition to your holiday decor, showcasing precious first holiday memories. What we like. This kit allows you to create 2 personalized ornaments, ensuring you have a backup or can make one for a loved one. The no-bake clay is incredibly easy to use, making the DIY process stress-free for busy parents. If you're looking for a classic Christmas keepsake that's simple to make and yields 2 beautiful results, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It's a great way to capture your baby's handprint and footprint. The kit comes with everything you need to create a perfect keepsake. The clay is soft and easy to mold, and it dries hard without cracking. Number 4. Pearhead Babyprints First Handprint Ornament Kit. Capture your baby's tiny handprint or footprint with this complete keepsake kit. It includes everything you need to create a beautiful, lasting memory. Our impression clay is 100% baby-safe and gentle on delicate skin. It dries soft, preventing cracks and ensuring your keepsake lasts a lifetime. Make your baby's first Christmas ornament a truly special one. Preserve the memory of their tiny prints to cherish every holiday season. This is a wonderful way for parents and newborns to bond. Create a meaningful keepsake together that will be treasured for years to come. Looking for a unique baby shower or baptism gift? This keepsake kit is a heartfelt way to celebrate a new arrival and create lasting memories. Creating this special ornament is simple with our easy no-bake DIY clay. You'll have a beautiful impression in no time. What we like. This option comes in a lovely baby blue hue, perfect for a baby boy's first Christmas. Its special clay is designed to dry soft and resist cracking, ensuring your precious memory lasts a lifetime. If you are looking for a durable and aesthetically pleasing ornament specifically for a baby boy, this is an excellent selection. What people say. The Pearhead Babyprints is a great way to capture your baby's handprint and footprint. It's easy to use and the prints come out clear and detailed. The frame is a nice way to display the prints and a cherished keepsake. Number 3. Pearhead Inkless Baby Hand and Footprint Kit. Capture your baby's precious handprints and footprints with this completely mess-free ink pad kit. It's the perfect way to create lasting memories without any fuss. Your baby's delicate skin will never come into contact with ink. Our premium, non-toxic ink ensures a safe and worry-free experience for you and your little one. Simply press your baby's hand or foot onto the clean side of the pad placed on paper. It's a quick, easy, and stress-free method to get detailed stamps. Once the ink dries, you'll have a beautiful keepsake to cherish forever. Display it, gift it, or add it to your baby's memory book. Designed with tiny hands and feet in mind, each pad is the ideal size for newborns. Get clear, detailed prints without any mess. This versatile kit is also perfect for capturing your dog's paw prints or nose prints. It's a wonderful way to remember all your furry family members too. What we like. Experience a truly mess-free way to capture your baby's prints with this ink pad kit. The innovative design ensures zero ink touches your baby's delicate skin, making the process quick and worry-free. If you prioritize a clean and simple method for creating detailed prints without any fuss, this inkless kit is ideal for you. What people say. This is a great product to capture your baby's handprint and footprint. It's easy to use and the print comes out clear. The frame is a nice way to display the print and a photo of your baby. Number 2. Pearhead Babyprints Ornament. Commemorate your newborn's first holiday season with a timeless keepsake. Capture their tiny handprint or footprint to cherish forever. This kit includes everything you need to create a personalized ornament. It's completely safe for your baby. Creating this keepsake is easy. Simply press your baby's hand or foot into the soft material and let it dry. This makes a thoughtful holiday gift for expecting parents or proud grandparents. It's an ideal present for new moms and dads. The finished ornament is perfectly sized to hang on your Christmas tree. You can also display it as holiday nursery decor. What we like. This kit offers a gender-neutral design, making it a perfect gift for any new parents. It includes everything you need for a straightforward DIY experience, with simple instructions for kneading and imprinting the clay. If you're searching for a versatile and easy-to-use keepsake that suits any baby, this is a fantastic option. What people say. This is a great way to capture your baby's handprint and footprint. The ink is non-toxic and safe for babies. It's easy to use and creates a clear, lasting impression. Number 1. Pearhead Babyprints Double-Sided Christmas Photo Ornament. Celebrate your baby's magical first holiday with this elegant ornament. It's designed to beautifully display both a cherished photo and their precious handprint or footprint. Creating this keepsake is completely mess-free. The special Clean Touch ink pad ensures you get a perfect, smudgeless print without any fuss. Personalizing it is incredibly easy. Just press your baby's hand or foot onto the ink pad, transfer the print to the ornament, and add a favorite photo. No cleanup needed. Parents love this ornament for its sentimental value and ease of use. It's a highly rated choice for a baby footprint gift that truly captures the moment. This classic ornament serves as a timeless nursery decor piece. It's a holiday accent and a keepsake that your family will treasure for years to come. What we like. This unique ornament allows you to display both a cherished photo of your baby and their handprint or footprint on a beautiful wooden base. It combines two precious memories into one elegant keepsake. If you love the idea of showcasing a favorite picture alongside a tactile print, this double-sided ornament is a wonderful choice. What people say. The ink pad is a great size for a baby's hand and foot. It's easy to use and creates a clear, smudge-free print. The frame is sturdy and looks nice on a shelf or wall. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.